Students, today topic is consistency of system of linear equations by rank method. So already we studied consistency. If system of equation having the solution, then system is said to be consistent. If system has no solution, then system is said to be inconsistent. So how to check consistency of the given system of equations? To check the consistency of system of equation, we can use rank method, right? Suppose if you have system of equation, first you convert into matrix form Ax equal to b. Then to check the consistency of the equation, you construct augmented matrix. Then check the rank of A, rank of AB. If both are equal, then system is said to be consistent, right? How to get the rank of the matrix? By converting into row echelon form, count the number of non-zero rows. So here you will get three cases. If rank of A, rank of A be equal, then if it is equal to number of unknowns, then system has unique solution, right? N is unknowns, number of unknowns, x, y, z, variables in the equation. And second case, if rank of A equal rank of AB and not equal to n, then system has infinite solution. Third case, if rank of A not equal rank of AB, then system is inconsistent, no solution. Okay, so these three cases will arise while solving the system of equations. Okay, so now let us do some example problems. First example. Now we have to check the consistency of this system of equation. If possible, if it is consistent, then we have to solve the solution of these equations. So we have four equations. So I am writing in matrix form, where A is 4 by 3 matrix and B is constant matrix. This is variable matrix. Okay. Now write augmented matrix A. I inserted B matrix here. Now we should make 3, 1, 1 as zeros to convert into row echelon form. I am going to convert into row echelon form to get the rank, right? I am using first row to make these three elements as 0. So R2 minus 3R1 0 0, R3 minus R1 0, R4 minus R1 0, right? So you will get these rows. Now here I will interchange these two rows, R2 and R3, for the sake of convenience. You can use minus 1 and make these two elements as 0, you will get the solution. But for the sake of convenience, I am interchanging these two rows. So first row as is 1 2 minus 1 3. Second row becomes 0 minus 4 4 0. Third row 0 minus 7 5 minus 8. Fourth row 0 minus 3 2 minus 4. Right? Now here I am dividing R2 by 4. So 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 0 minus 1 1 0 0 minus 7 5 minus 8 0 minus 3 2 minus 4. Right? Now make minus 7 minus 3 as zeros. So R3 R4. R3 is 7. So I am multiplying R2 by 7 and subtracting from R3. R4 3 into R2. So first row is as it is 1 2 minus 1 3. Second row 0 minus 1 1 0. Here 0 0. 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus 8. Here 0, here 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Okay. Now here we have to make this element by 0 as 0 by using R. So I am changing R4 now. R4 minus 1. So R4 I am multiplying by 2. 2 into R4 minus R minus R3. So first row has it is 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, minus here 0, 0, 0, and here 2 for the 8, minus 1, minus 8, 0. Now it is converted into row echelon form. All below diagonal elements are zeros, right? Now rank of A. So to find the rank of A, so add the last column, then you will get A matrix here. This is in row echelon form. Count the non-zero rows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is rank of A. Rank of AB. Augmented matrix means total matrix you have to consider. Number of non-zero rows 1, 2, 3 only. So if rank of A, rank of AB equal, then system is consistent. That means system is consistent. But is it having one solution or infinite solution? To know that, we have to equate it to number of unknowns. Number of unknowns. Number of unknowns means variables. How many variables are there? X, Y, Z. 3. So therefore we have rank of A, rank of AB, rank of AB is equal to n. Therefore system has unique solution. As we got unique solution means we have to solve it. Now I am rewriting the equation. First equation x plus 2y minus z equals. First equation x plus 2y minus z equal to 3. From second row minus y plus z equal to 0. From third row minus 2z equal to minus 8. So from third row z equal to 4. Substitute z equal to 4 in second equation. We have y plus z equal 0, minus y plus 4 equal 0, y equal to 4. So from first equation, x 2 into 4 minus 4 equal to 3. 8 minus 4 equal to 3. X is equal to 3 minus 4. X is equal to minus 1. So these are the solutions. X is minus 1, y is 4, z is 4. Right? Now second problem, one more example problem. Second example, 4x minus 2y plus 6z is equal to 8. X plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 1. 15x minus 3y plus 9z is equal to 21. Okay. Now we have to check the consistency of this system of equation. If it is consistent, we have to find the solution. So what is the matrix form? Matrix form Ax equal to B. What is A matrix here? 4 minus 2 6, 1 1 minus 3, 15 minus 3 9, and variable matrix x y z. So B matrix 8 minus 1 21. Now augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix 4 minus 2 6, 1 1 minus 3, 15 minus 3 9. Inside the B column minus 1 21. This is augmented matrix. Now I am converting into row echelon form. Right, for the sake of convenience, I will interchange these two rows. Here we have 1, so I am interchanging R1 and R2. So you will get 1 1 minus 3 minus 1 as first row. Second row 4 minus 2 6 8, 15 minus 3 9 21. Right. Now I will make these two elements as zeros. R2 R3. R2 minus 4R1, R3 minus 15R1. First as it is 1 minus 3 minus 1, here 0 minus 6 18 12, here 0 minus 18 54, here 36, right? Now see here, these are multiples of 6. Sorry, this is 18, I think. Oh, yes, 18. This will be 18. Okay, these are multiples of 6, and here these are the 18 multiples. So I will reduce the values. R2 by 6, R3 by 18, 1 minus 3 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3 2, 0 minus 1, 3 2. So I reduce the values R2 and R3. Now I will convert this as 0 by using minus 1. So I am interchanging R3 minus R2. 1 minus 3 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3 2, 0 0 0 0 0. Now this augmented matrix is converted into row echelon form. Now I am finding rank of A. What is rank of A? 1 2. 2 non-zero rows, so rank is 2. Augmented matrix rank is also 2. So rank of AB equal to 2. Number of unknowns, that is n. Number of unknowns 3. That means what we got, rank of AB not equal, they are equal but not equal to unknowns. In this case, system has infinite solutions. So how to find infinite solutions? So rewrite the equations from the reduced matrix. So first equation is what? X plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 1. Second equation, minus y plus 3z is equal to 2. See here we have 3 unknowns and 2 equations. So to get x, y, z values, here see here, to get y value we need z. So when you have 2 equations and 3 unknowns, take any one variable as some parameter t. So I am taking z equal to t. You can take y also as t, right? So if you take z, then you will get y. If you take y as t, then you will get z. So I am taking z as t, which is parameter. That means any real number t, right? If z is t, then what is y value from second equation? Minus y plus 3t is equal to 2. Minus y, 2 minus 3t. So y equal to 3t minus 2. 3t minus 2. This is y value. If you take any real number and substitute here, you will get y value. So from first equation, x plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 1. X plus 3t minus 2 minus 3 into t minus 1. X plus 3t minus 3t cancel. Okay, x is equal to minus 1 plus 2, x is 1. So here x value is 1, fixed value, but y and z is depending on t. So here t value you can take any value. Suppose if I take t equal to 1, then y will be 1. If t equal to, then y will be 2, 3, 6, 4. Like that you will get infinite solutions. Okay, depends on t. So therefore x is 1, y is 3t minus 2, z is t, where t is a parameter. Okay, so when the system has infinite solution, do in this way. Okay, choose any one variable as t if two equations and three unknowns are available. If only one equation is available and three unknowns, at that time choose two variables as parameters, y as t1, z as t2, then you will get x value. Okay. Now one more example problem. X minus y, okay, x minus y plus z is equal to minus 9. 2x minus y plus z is equal to 4. 3x minus y plus z is equal to 6. 4x minus y plus 2z is equal to 7. So matrix form. Ax equal to b. A matrix is 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 1, 4 minus 1 2. X is x y z. B is minus 9, 4, 6, 7. Augmented matrix AB. 1 minus 1 1, minus 9, 2 minus 1 1, 4, 3 minus 1 1, 6, 4 minus 1 2, 7. So this is the augmented matrix. Now apply row operation to make these three elements as 0. So R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 3 R1, R4 minus 4 R1. Okay, so first as it is 1 1 minus 9, here 2 minus 2 0, minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 4, 2 9 is 18, 22, 0, minus 1 minus 3, minus 4, 1 minus 3, minus 2, right. Three minus 1, minus 1, minus of minus 3, so this is 2. Plus 2, plus 2, minus 2, and this is 33, 0, minus 1, plus 3, here minus 2, and this will be 43. Okay, now I will make this 2 elements 0. So R3 minus 2 R1, R2, R4 minus 3 R2. Then first row as it is 1 minus 9, second row as it is 0 1 minus 1 22, here 0 0, here you will get 0 again, and here minus 7. Now here we got more zeros, no? We have to interchange these two. So R3 R4, I'm interchanging R3 R4. By interchanging R3 R4, we will get 1 minus 1 1, minus 9, 0 1 minus 1 22 0 0 1 minus 23 and 0 0 0 minus 1. Now this is converted into row echelon. Now rank of A is 1 2 3. Rank of A is 1 2 3 4. So rank of A we got 3. Rank of AB 4. Therefore rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Therefore system has no solution. System is inconsistent. That implies it has no solution. This is the procedure to check the system has solution or not. If it is inconsistent, directly you can write no solution. If it is consistent, find the solution. So based on this, you solve the exercise problems.